Okay, now we are on Mathematics Education Lab. Consists of two parts. The first one is the workshop room and the second one is the display room. Let us check for the first one. This is the workshop room where the student can design and develop the mathematics instruction media. We provide them with some utilities that they can use and also some sources. Interestingly, there are two groups are working in now. So let us give them some question. Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Today me and my friend want to make media about two variable in an equal system. So in this media, we are using elimination method with proton and electron concept.
Okay, thank you. And what about this group? Hi boys, what are you doing?
We are making the media about Pythagorean theorem proof with the puzzle board.
Okay, everyone, good luck. And the second part is about the display room. In the display room, we display the product of this course and then displayed here. Actually, there is one person in charge to guide the visitors and explain the use of the media in this room.
Okay, for example, we have the operation of addition, 5 plus 4, and then the first step that we have to do is just put the object on the 0, 1, and then we step forward for the 5 and stop on the 1.
Besides the manipulative media, we also facilitate this room with two flip books so the student can elaborate and explore about digital media. So that's all from Mathematics Education Lab. Thank you. Hi,
Hello, sir.
what is your name?
I'm Vira.
Okay, Vira. Can you tell me how do you feel about this room?
I feel this room so comfortable because this is a cozy room and you can see all the media arranged in good arrangement, and furthermore there is a guide who can help us to understand about the purpose of the media and how to use the media.
Well, have you ever been working on the workshop room?
Yes, I had.
So, what is your experience working there?
I feel excited to work there because all materials are provided by departments and all the equipments are sufficient to support us to make the media.
Okay, Vira, thank you.